Hey guys, it's Pop here. Going to do a quick tutorial on the Pecron E500 Wi-Fi connection. I know that from time to time we all struggle with that, so we are going to try to help with that with this video. I've already put an F3000 Wi-Fi connection out there, video out there, and an E1500 video out there. If you would, go take a look at those. Like and subscribe to help my begin out of my YouTube channel. But here's how we're going to do this. We're going to power it on. Power it on. Hold both of these AC and DC in. You'll see the battery flash again. It's going to shortly, you'll see a Wi-Fi symbol flash right there. Took it a second, but there it was. I'm going to open my Pecron app. Let me see, let's go. That's what it looks like, just like that. Make sure you see that again right there. We'll open it up. And then we're going to click on that plus button up there. It's right up there. And you're going to hit add device. And then it's going to manually find it. So it found the 500 there. I'm going to hit this add sign right here. And we're going to hit plus. I'm going to drop down because you have to enter your Wi-Fi credentials by memory, so just remember that, write it down, or do like I do, copy and paste it from wherever you have it stored on your phone so that you can have it. It makes it a lot easier when you're doing this. This is a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network that I set up. All I did was buy one of those extenders. All right, you can see that it's working there. It did stop, but it'll kick back on in a second. But I bought an extender and I have it running 2.4 gigahertz just for my Pecron devices, Blink devices, things like that. All right, it found it, it accepted it, it's done. And I'm gonna leave the name like it is. I just like to do that. And there it is, 50% state of charge. We'll open it up. You can, of course, you'll see the solar coming in, AC coming in for charging, DC out, DC out. I like this app because so 500 here's got a light on it, and I can cut that light on and go to high. I can go to SOS if you want to do that. Don't recommend it, especially someone might be sensitive to lights. Then you can hit this little button up here that's not a gear button, but it's similar to that, and you can see the different opportunities you have. Of course, when I have it charging, I want it to go to 100%, but I like the 500 because you can adjust the charging power on it either more or less. I wish the 1500 was that way, but it does not do that. And then, of course, you can put it in silent mode, which I do not do. I don't have this one set for auto output time off because this is what I use to back up my I actually run my CPAP and DC off of this, and this lasts about 4 or 5 nights with my DC power. So I'll take this about once a week and go out there and use the solar input over there. And it's just, I don't know why I opened that, but it's right around here. And I'll use the barrel port from my E3600 and charge this up. Just let it go out there. But anyway, machine brightness, you can adjust that. Of course, I have the Fahrenheit there, and that's it. If you could, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and that is the Wi-Fi setup for the Pecron E500 series. Putting a few more videos out there. The next one I will be doing, I will be adding the E3600 Wi-Fi setup, but the E500 and the E1500 to me are the two easiest to set up. The F3000 is probably the most difficult, but the most important thing you got to do, number one, have your Bluetooth on your phone. Number two, make sure you have the app on your phone ready to go. Then the other thing that a lot of people struggle with is these Pecron units will not connect to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So you have to create that 2.4, 2.5, whatever it is, gigahertz Wi-Fi network for these machines to connect to. They're not the only machines like that. We've got a Roomba vacuum cleaner that only will connect to the 2.4 gigahertz, so it's connected to it. So there are things that will not connect to 5 gigahertz. People struggle with that. All right, y'all have a great night. More videos to come. Like, subscribe to my channel. If you have anything you want to see, I'll try to put it on here. Thank you.